guys, it's me, Tea Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is super exciting. Why? Because it's a video about Bath and Body Works. I mean, Bath and Body Works be shining on this channel, don't it? Yeah. Like, I'm thinking about making this like just Bath and Body Works because I love it so much. So I have a haul. Yeah, just a little sunshine in here, you know what I'm saying? And if you see from the title, it is the Land of Sweets. Yes, I finally got my hand on the Land of Sweets candles. Well, a few of them. I'm really going to be waiting to Candle Day. If you haven't seen my Candle Day video in my wish list, definitely make sure you check it out. I'll link it up here somewhere, and it gives you some tips for Candle Day as well. Don't worry, a part 2 will be coming where I talk about coupons when I find out more about what the coupons are going to be for Candle Day. But y'all, I'm going to be going ham in the store on the 7th of December because y'all ask me that all the time. When is Candle Day? December 7th is Candle Day. It's the first Saturday in December, and I'm so psyched right now. Like, Candle Day is coming! Candle Day is coming! But anyway, I'm going to get into this video because I want to show you guys the candles that I got. So the first one I have right here, this is Elf Village. Elf Village looks just like this. And this is crushed candy cane. Like, oh my god, look at that. It is so pretty. And it has these icing, I like to call it icing lids. And it's just dripping down. It's just so beautiful. Oh my goodness. It is so cute to even look at, and it's so great to see the price on it is $24.50 because some of the newer candles that are coming out are having a price point of $26.50, and Joanna McLeod was like, yep, price increases are coming. And when they start testing it out on certain things, that's when you know price increases are coming. So I hope they don't increase the price. I mean, if they do, I'm only going to buy during certain times because I know y'all think I'm this big candle hoarder, but I don't buy a lot of candles like I do body care. I buy way more body care than I do candles, and it's because I don't get through all my candles. But on Candle Day, I'm going to look like the biggest hoarder in the world, but I do give a lot of my candles away as gifts. So just so you guys know, so don't come for me. Don't come for me, period. Okay? But anyway, this is crushed candy cane. I love crushed candy cane. Last year I told y'all that you needed crushed candy cane in the white barn packaging because it was life. Now I'm going to say get crushed candy cane in Land of Sweets because the packaging on this one is life. I think Bath and Body Works continuously shows us that marketing packaging overall is what gets consumers, because this is going to sell out like hotcakes because look how beautiful the packaging is. People are going to want it. People are going to want to give these as gifts. I know this is one that I'm going to be going to the store for and probably getting multiples of because people like crushed candy cane. People love the smell of candy cane, and this would make an excellent, yes, an excellent gift for a teacher. Imagine a teacher getting one of these beautiful candles. Like, they're going to absolutely love it. So definitely this is one on my list that I love. It wasn't my favorite though, but it's in the top 3 because I only have 3. So the next one, this one, they didn't give the nice lid to. This is London on a beat. Wait, is it London on the track? Is that what they say? Oh God, I'm getting old, okay? But this is London Tea and Biscuits. London is absolutely beautiful. Like, look at it. Like, I'm slowing it for y'all. Get this candle porn, okay? And it has the white lid. It is beautiful, y'all. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I'm telling you, this is the collection I'm going for hard at Candle Day because of the packaging. Is so aesthetically pleasing and it makes me happy. And I know teachers are gonna love them and they're gonna feel happy. Oh, it smells so good. Since Galore is right that the that this one is really good. So I was so happy I got it. You can smell the lemon in it, but it's not like a lemon mint leaf at all. And it says Tea and Biscuits, but this is just gourmand. Like, this is very gourmand. I'm trying to think what candy this reminds me of, because this reminds me of candy. Okay, there is the candy, it's not Tootsie Rolls, but you know they got the Tootsie Roll fruit. And this reminds me of the lemon lime one that comes in the Tootsie Roll candies. Yep, that's what it reminds me of. That's exactly what it reminds me of. The Tootsie Roll candy and lemon lime. I know because my kids got some for Halloween and I ate it. Yep, that's what it reminds me of. Absolutely love this candlelight, y'all. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna like crush candy cane more than I like this one, but lemon, why do I keep calling it lemon? The Tea and Biscuits is bomb. The Tea and Biscuits, definitely make sure you're getting this. Again, packaging alone is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And the smell is to die for. Last one that I got, guys. This is the Land of Sweets that started it all, okay? Blueberry sugar. The packaging alone. Like, I don't want to burn any of these candles. I just want to collect them because Bath & Body Works has not come out with anything this pretty in a very, very long time. So yeah, and that's the top. It has the icing lid and it's blueberry sugar. So it's sweet blueberries, brown sugar, graham cracker crust with essential oils. Ain't got nothing on blueberry pie. I'm just gonna be 100. You ain't got nothing on blueberry pie, but it's good though. I like it. It's a nice sweet blueberry. It's nice. It's sweet. This one I just want for packaging, not to burn it as much because I love my blueberry pie and it's only one blueberry that can stay in my life full time and it's blueberry pie. But it's nice. It's a really nice blueberry. It reminds me of the penny candy. You know, the penny candy that had the picture of the grandma on it and it's the blueberry one. That's what this is. And y'all know penny candy. Yeah, if you're from up north, you know all about the penny candy. Yep, that's what it smells exactly like. Yes. I keep smelling it. I love it. It smells so good. Like, I'm going to be at Candle Day. And I know I had my whole list and I shared it with y'all. But the Land of Sweets candles are the ones I think I'm going to go ham on and give them as gifts because they're so beautiful. They look very expensive and people are going to be like, oh my God, this is the most prettiest candle I've ever seen. Thank you for this gift. Like the teachers, especially at the school, you give them these, they're going to be like, oh my God, they're so cute. So yes, I cannot wait to hand these out as gifts. So I'm going to be going a little ham on Candle Day. So out of the three, let me give y'all my favorite. And I'm gonna give you the notes too because I forgot to give you the notes of the other ones. This is London. It's Tea and Biscuits. How do they say Tea and Biscuits? Tea and Biscuits? I don't know. My accents aren't that great, okay? I need Nicki Minaj to come in here and do a London accent for me. But this is iced lemon, sugar crystals, buttery shortbread with essential oils. London is my favorite. I know you guys are probably like, what? But yeah, London is my absolute favorite. Smells so good. Like, yes, London is my favorite. My second favorite out of the icing lids, blueberry sugar. Blueberry sugar is definitely amazing. The packaging is everything. And it says Land of Sweets right on it. Like, it's so good. I already gave y'all the notes on that because it's the last one I talked about. And my least favorite is crushed candy cane. I love crushed candy cane. Don't get me wrong, I do. But this line, you got some serious competitors, and crushed candy cane is not up to the challenge like the rest of them. It's not up to the challenge like the rest of them because a lot of them are really sweet, like gourmand scents, and it's like candy, and then you give me this. And I know it's like peppermint candy, but it's not like the peppermint, like the hard peppermint. It's the soft ones that grandma keep in the purse at church. That's the peppermint that this one is. And just to give you guys the notes on it, crushed candy cane is crunchy peppermint, white sugar crystals, frosted mint leaf with essential oils. And this was my least favorite out of the three I bought. But of course, I got it because it's crushed candy cane. And I will be getting a backup at Candle Day. So yeah, those are all the candles that I got, y'all. Oh my God, I'm so excited about Candle Day. I'm so excited about Land of Sweets. And everybody keeps getting confused. Like the 24th, that night is when they're gonna put out the Land of Sweets display. That night in stores. The 25th, you'll be able to walk into the store and buy Land of Sweets. The 25th, I'll be at the door at 9:50 a.m. because they open at 10. And don't worry guys, I'm going to be filming the experience. So that video will come up. And then I'll do a haul video of everything I got from Land of Sweets. It will go up the next day. So I will be all over it like a news reporter, okay? This is Tina Marie reporting live from Bath and Body Works. Yes, it's going to be me reporting live because I am going to be getting my hands on all of it. As far as like the body care, it's nothing that I really don't want but the winter candy apple, because I'm not a big winter candy apple fan. But to have it just because, sorry guys, I got a piece of hair, because it's Land of Sweets is why I'll probably get it, because it's part of the collection as a whole. So I'm really thinking about getting it just because it's part of Land of Sweets. But I'm going to be getting at least one of every set. The shower gels, I don't know yet, because I'm using up the shower gels I have now, because I have like over 30 shower gels. But I'm a collector now of the moisturizing body washes, so I don't know. But because it's Land of Sweets, I have a feeling that the blueberry shortbread and the Mary Cookie, I'm getting all set. I'm getting the whole set of those two. The rest of them, I'll just get the spray and the lotion, spray and the lotion, spray and the lotion, and be done with those. But the other ones I need full sets of, and then I'll get 2 backup sprays of the blueberry sugar, and I'm gonna get 2 backup lotions. And the reason why I'm getting 2 is because one set is gonna go to my mom, and then I'll have a backup set for me. And the Mary Cookie, those 2 sets will be for me, okay? Okay, because if Mary Cookie smells as good as I think it's gonna smell, oh my God. But this is amazing time for Bath and Body Works. I'm telling you, if you're a collector, to know you're a part of the Land of Sweets collection is like, it's going to be epic. It's going to be epic. This is the most I've been excited about Bath and Body Works in a very long time. And that's why I be on it and I'm stalking it, because they haven't had anything this beautiful in a very long time. And if you've been rocking with Bath and Body Works for a long time, you know it's been a while since they had anything that just wowed you and punched you in the face. They really have been very lackluster, let's be honest. But now they're giving me stuff that's punching me in my throat. Yes. So I'm hoping that they're going to be doing a buy 3 get 3, and there's some sort of coupon. Ooh, that would be amazing. And a lot of times things do drop on the website on the 24th. So you might be able to place an online order on the 24th. I might, but I don't like shipping, so I might just wait and just get it in stores. And if my stores get it early, they say they're gonna call me anyway, so I might even have it before the actual release date, but who knows? I don't know yet, guys. If I have it, y'all be the first ones to see it, I promise. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.